Hey.
Can we stay home tonight? Try something new tonight. This just got me feeling right. I'm touching your legs and thighs. You, me, and Patron, girl, we gon' get it on. You drinking so fast now, I got you in my zone. The bed gon' be breaking. Your legs keep on shaking, but...
Okay, so I wanted to get real close for y'all for this review. Hi, I'm Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another wig review on this unit on my head. And I have to get y'all really close because, like, baby, look at this color. Look at this color. Look at this pretty color. So, let's talk about the wig and where it came from and whatnot. And then we can get more into detail about what I think about it. So this is by Main Concepts. It's part of their red carpet premiere lace front wig. This is no other than Bay 24 inch. So everybody, if you are a wig lover and you've been on YouTube for a while, and you know that last year a wig came out called Bay and everybody was in love with her. She probably stopped like right here. So I really wasn't interested in her. The wave pattern for me was kind of awkward and I was like, it is kind of like an awkward length. So I never really paid attention to her. So this year they came out with a Bay 24 inch, so a 24 inch version of the original. And they actually came out with some cute new colors also. So I got her in this color, which is a SR1B/camo. So what camo is shades of maybe like 4, I don't know, it's like 27. Like 27, and they got light greens and dark greens, and I think I saw a little bit of blue. I could be tripping, but this is an actually pretty color. It's really pretty. This is what she looks like. I really wasn't impressed with the wave pattern, and the best way I can describe it is straight hair. Like some straight hair, when it gets wet, it gets a little wavy, and that's what it looks like. I brushed it out all the way 100%. A lot of people just finger combed it, and for me it still had that wet look, and I don't really like wet looking hair. So that is, unless it's like really curly, like I don't like straight wet looking hair. It looks really bad to me. So I kind of just brushed her out to where it still had the wave, but it looked dry. It looked fluffy, so I don't really mind it anymore at this point. I don't ever buy wigs that look like that. Like, I wish I showed it to you straight out of the pack, but if it has that wet like loose wave about it, it just doesn't look appealing to me. Or if it's wet and straight, it just doesn't look appealing to me at all. It's like a wet dog. So this is how she looks, all to the front. I'll pull her all to the front. She is let me see, she is, I guess she's it says 24 inches, but honestly it's not. I think maybe 24 inches from the top of the wig, but this is 20 inches. I know that for sure because this is how far my 20-inch wigs come down. They come down to like my tailbone. So I don't know what they talking about 24 inches. But yeah, so my thoughts on the wig is I love the color. I adore the color. Maybe if it was in a different style, I would definitely be like 100% in love with it. But this this particular style and wave pattern, I'm not in love with at all. It's really regular smegular to me, and there's nothing amazing about it. And that's how I felt about Bay, the first Bay wig. But other than that, I'm in love with the color. The cap construction is, you know, a soft lace in the front, and it has 2 combs right near the parting, and a comb in the back and adjustable straps. I would say it's a yaki texture, like a light yaki texture wig. It's definitely not silky at all. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I guess I really wouldn't call this light yaki. It's not silky like baby doll hair. So, but it is definitely straight. You know, if you are not African American, let's say you're looking at this wig to purchase as, let's say you're white or you're Spanish and you want to purchase this wig, it would definitely match your hair texture. You could pass this off as your hair texture for sure. So as far as tangling, not a lot of tangling at all. Nothing to really tangle. It's besides it being wavy, it's pretty much, you know, an easy wig. And there is some shedding after I cut the lace, so it could be because of that, because I'm not really getting that much now. So yeah, thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Then go over to Instagram. No, I don't know about Snapchat anymore. You can find me on Snapchat, but I don't think y'all really be trying to follow me. I don't think a lot of people have a Snapchat. But go over to Instagram, Twitter, and my Facebook. Don't forget to follow me there because you'll see any previews of wigs that I will be reviewing. You'll see them over there before you see them here. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.